Qigong class number 5. Let's walk in place a little bit. Loosen up the feet, loosen up the legs. You can walk a little bit more briskly. Loosen up. Come to your place and stop. Feet straight ahead. Feet are about shoulder width or hip width apart. Nice, comfortable position. Bend and soften the knees. Sink the tailbone, float the head. Close the eyes if you feel safe and relax the top of your head. Soften your face. Unclench your jaw. Release tension in the back of your head. Dissolve all the tension in the shoulders and let it roll down your body. Release tension in your chest and your stomach and all the muscles in your back. Lower back, hips, glutes, all the stress is just rolling off. Calves, straighten to the ground. Breathe in. Exhale, releasing more and more tension. Sigh of relief. Let's feel it roll off the body. Breathe in. Float the head. Breathe out. Tension just rolls off. Lifting the sky. Breathe in. Press. Breathe out. Arms float down. Inhale. Exhale. Link your breath with your movements. Arms go up, you breathe in. Arms float down, you breathe out. Relaxing. We're moving, but we're not using force. We're relaxed. It's a relaxed type of stretch, but it's not stretching, it's expanding. Expanding our fascia. Relax more and more. Loosen more and more. Stop thinking about the movement. Start enjoying the movement. Enjoying your breathing. Enjoying the session. Now just relax and let go and drift. Just let your body, the momentum that we build up, just continue to sway and swirl. And move your body. Continuing to force through blockages, remove tension and pain. And it doesn't look like this, so your eyes better be closed. Now we'll do the dancing butterfly, so we bend forward like we're smelling a flower. Straighten up, bend backward a little bit, arms float up, exhale. Breathing in, arms down, breathing out. Leaning back, leaning forward, breathe in, leaning back. looser, safely within your comfort zone. Forward and back, bending in the spine, butterfly wings, floating, fluttering. Forget about the movement, but let it continue. Let it flow. Breathing in, and then just forget about the movement entirely, but let it flow. Let your body sway. Let your tension go. You're not glued to the floor. And when it starts to naturally roll down, come back to your center. And you can stop it yourself, willing yourself to slow down. Finding your center and sinking. Breathing in, breathing out. Rubbing your hands together briskly. Warming up your eyes. Blinking open. Letting more light in. I hope you enjoyed that session.